All right, I am here with David Azizi from the law offices of David Azizi, and today we're going to discuss what could happen when it comes to the settlement of a personal injury case. And sometimes clients or victims of a personal injury may wonder if it's worth it or beneficial to go through mediation rather than through the whole process. So David, first of all, explain what mediation is, and then explain if it's beneficial or not beneficial when it comes to a specific client.
Okay. I would to first explain what mediation is. Mediation is an opportunity for both sides to go to a neutral party, a third person in essence, and it's presenting both sides' case, the claims. So we present our claim, our side of the story, the defense presents their side of the story and their reasoning as to why they feel whether the case has no merit or whether the case should settle within a certain value. As far as whether a case is amenable for settlement, probably I would say all cases are amenable for settlement in mediation. But the question still is, what is the value that each party believes that the case should settle for? And in regards to that, I would say that it's a case-by-case decision. Some cases you go to mediation and they offer you a certain amount which you believe that would be a beneficial amount to settle the case for and get guaranteed money versus risking it going to trial. There's some circumstances where the amount of money that is being offered by the other side is not an amount that you, both myself and the client, don't consider to be reasonable, so we decide to proceed forward and go to trial. And of course there's a risk of trial, but then there's a good chance that based on our evaluation of the case that we can get more at trial once we go to trial. So it is beneficial to some degree because you avoid the cost that you would have to incur to go to trial, and that cost could include the court reporter fees, the jury fees, the fees that you would have to pay to the experts to come to court, and all these other related costs that are involved. And you get guaranteed money. There's no risk. They pay you right then and there, not there, but you sign a settlement agreement, and it's agreed upon as to how much they pay. So, but like I said, some cases the insurance companies are not willing to put the amount of money that we feel is reasonable, and sometimes it even takes 2 or 3 sessions of a mediation before we are able to convince the other side that the value of the case is what we believe it is. And you know, insurance companies, you have to think of it this way: the longer and more that they could delay the case, the better for them, because they get to hold on to their money and invest it and do everything else. So as time goes by, they keep just delaying it, and waiting till the end to offer what sometimes is really what the value of the case is. Sometimes early on they offer it, very rare, but it can be beneficial to go to mediation on cases nowadays because you avoid the litigation costs that sometimes could be pretty high.
Absolutely, and that's very valuable information. And David brought something up where he mentioned that as a personal injury lawyer with experience and resources, he can determine if it is worth it for what they want to settle, as most common individuals probably don't really understand, having not been through many car accidents or slip and fall injuries. So if you want an experienced personal injury lawyer that has been through many cases and been through mediation, please feel free to contact the law offices of David Azizi. You will find the phone number below in the YouTube information as well as in the YouTube video above. Thank you for your time, David.
All right, thank you.